Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Global stock indexes were mixed in choppy trading, while US Treasury yields declined slightly after a series of US economic reports suggested ebbing momentum. The data mostly supported the view the Federal Reserve could soon begin cutting interest rates. Crypto losses from hacks and scams more than doubled in the second quarter of 2024 compared to the same period the previous year, according to research from blockchain security platform Immunify. Over $572 million was lost in Q2 compared to only $220 million in Q2 of 2023. The US dollar drifted lower against most currencies, pressured by softening data in the world's largest economy that backs expectations the Federal Reserve will start cutting interest rates this year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's current account will be released at 6 GMT, the US personal income at 12:30 GMT, the US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product will be released at 6 GMT, Japan's construction orders at 5 GMT, Japan's annualized housing starts at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.